So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, we are going to design this beautiful church flyer. I call it Total Glory. Total Glory, yes. And these are the resources files that I use, including the free PSD file. Yes, this is a premium PSD file that I created, and let's begin. So this is it. This is what you are going to design. So Control N on your keyboard to open this panel and then set up your names. The size I use 2000 by 2000, which is a square, and then I key in the name, the Total Glory, and everything is okay. All the settings are okay. So I click on OK. Yes, click on OK to check everything. Yes, click on OK. That is, after keying the name, click on OK. Then this is the white background that we are getting. So first of all, drag this background into it and then release it and wait for it to load. Sometimes it may take a little bit time, but it will load definitely. So once it loads, Control Alt and then scale it up a bit to cover the entire screen, and then do a blending mode for it, or better still, we added a color lookup. Yes, we added a color lookup, and then we are looking for where we have kept our color lookup, and then after that we just add a color lookup to it to change the entire screen. And once you add the color lookup again, then go to the blending option and select which one will suit what you are working with. Yes, select which one. All the blending options are there, and I think we set it to soft light or screen. Yes, check any of them which one will set up for you. And then once again we put everything in a group and then call it background. Yes, I put everything in a group and then we are naming it as a background. So we have a folder which contains the background, and then we drag the glory. Yes, we have worked on it, and then I've shared the link to download this 3D text effect as well. We have shared the link. So as you are seeing, I'm just dragging the details into it. So I set up my church logo, I drag it and send it upwards, and then just do whatever the necessary things you need to do, and then we put it in a group. Control J again, we center and align it and make sure that everything is in line. We brought our guide. Control H or go to view, guide, and new guide layout to set up your guide, and then make sure that you are working according to your guide so that everything should be in line. Okay, we put it in a group, and then we are dragging the 3D text effect which I've already worked on it. Yes, I've already worked on it. And if you want it, guys, as you know, everything, the link is there. Check it out, download everything, and then use it for free. It's a free of charge. All you need to do is at least comment and then like. Yes, comment and like. If you comment and like, then at least you are helping the channel to grow. At least we have been in existence for over almost 3-4 years now, but our watch hours is not encouraging. This tells that people come to this page to come and download the movie, and then they come and download the video and then take it away, go and watch it separately. That is why our details are not moving. And guys, if you keep doing this to this channel, YouTube is going to shadow ban our channel, and our channel will at least you will not be able to see whenever we post a video again. So please, if you know someone who have been downloading our videos separately, go and watch it and then practice, and then just taking credit. Please advise that person that that person is gradually killing the channel. Yes, so please, let's try as much as possible to help the channel to grow. Okay, to help the channel to grow. So we brought every details in it, and we are working on the image. Yes, so because I don't want the video to be too long, I just dragged the image from the previous design and then I brought it over here. Okay, yes, and then if you look at the video carefully, or if you look at the image carefully, I've added Topaz Lab. Yes, I've worked on it using the Topaz Lab, and if you don't have Topaz Lab again, the link to download is there. Join my Telegram page. All the plugins that you need are there. Okay, all the plugins that you need are there. So we brought the image inside, and then we went back to our previous design to bring the name. Yes, to bring the name, and then we put it in a group and call it name and logo, and then the total glory. Yes, the total glory. Realize that we type or we've written glory total over there at the top, and then glory, then we match that one also in a group, and then we call it the theme, or better still, heading. Okay, then we are now coming to work with date, time, venue, contact details, and the rest. Okay, yes, basically the design contains 4 key areas. That is that is how I always group my designs. The first one is what you work with the background. Make sure that you have a nice and attractive background. Second one is what you are adding the images to it. The images, whatever you need to do to boost the image color or to boost the image up, you need to do that is by adding the camera raw filter or Topaz Lab or Topaz AI plugin, all these things, or Skin Finer, everything, photo retouching, Retouch Academy, all these things are plugins that are used to make a video, or to make an image stand out, to make it pop out. Okay, then after that you work with text or the typography. Make sure you choose the right text or the right font to represent your design. If not, you're going to have a good design, but the font, the choice of font will destroy or will make your work not nice. And then after that, then the last thing is, which I call it, adding beauty. After every design, you need to add some beauty, some, at least just add some beauty. Once again, you can use the Skin Finer, and then camera raw filter, and then Topaz Lab or Topaz AI, all those things to make sure that your design stand out. Okay, so that is what we did. So as you are seeing, we are just writing the date, time, venue, and other things, and we didn't want to keep too much time. Therefore, we have to go to the previous design and then drag everything over there. But if you have enough time, you click on T on the keyboard, or go to your layers and then your text tool, and then just writing the text, and then wherever you need to add a shape underneath it, you add a shape, change the colors and a few details over there, and you are good to go. Please subscribe to this channel. This channel has come to stay. Okay, this channel has come to stay, and we are in a system. I know this channel is helping a lot of people, but it's quite unfortunate that they don't want to show appreciations. Okay, please, if you are here and this channel, or you are benefiting from this channel in any other ways, I'm not saying you should give me money. Yes, I'm not saying you should give me money or give me any incentive to motivate me. The only incentive that I need from you to motivate me is by you subscribing to this channel, liking, commenting under any video that you watch. And we have about 400 videos. I think we have about 300 plus videos going to 400, and I think it's 400 videos on this channel, and it's plenty. It's plenty. A lot of people sometimes call me that prof, or say we want to learn graphic design, but we don't know anything, like we are stranded. I want you to help me I want you to teach me graphic design. This channel has come to stay. Okay, we have a step-by-step tutorials with explanation, or with a voice-over explanation, and again a class in which you can learn from. If you practice any of the videos in our channel and you are facing any challenge, my contacts are there, my social media handles are active, my WhatsApp platform, Telegram platforms are all active. You can send me an information, and once I get notified of your information, I'll quickly come to your aid. And again, whenever I post a video, I add the resources. Yes, the resources, so that whoever want to practice can use the same resources to practice. And this is awesome. I am the only graphic designer on this channel, or on this in this world, or in this generation, whereby I always share my resources and a premium PSD file for free. You know it. There are other people in which you have subscribed to their channel, and whenever they post a video, they post the tutorials, they don't add the resources file, they don't ask the PSD file, they ask you to buy it. They always ask you to buy it, but I have been giving it out for free. All I want from you in return is to say thank you. Just write thank you, just a comment, and then a like and a share. Okay, then we will grow the channel together. I love you. And for my beginners, if you are practicing it, yes, once again, if you are practicing it and you are facing any challenges, my social media handles are active, okay? They are always active. Practice a lot of them and then get back to me. If you practice and when however the outcome is, just send it to me and let me comment, or let me just add my small a little take on it, okay? You can't start one day and become perfect, okay? You can't start one day and become perfect. It's through gradual process, okay? It's a process, a step by step. From this point you move to this point, from this point you move to this point. It is through that will make you perfect. And even still, your top-notch graphic designers are still learning. They are all, or we are all still learning. Okay, so please, once again, subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. This channel has come to stay. We have come to stay, and we need your help to be able to stay well. Okay, once again, I love you, and I will see you in the next tutorials. Keep this channel locked, and then once you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to all program or to all. So in so doing, if I post any video on this channel, you will be the first person to get it, and then practice it and put it on your social media handles, and then just take credit on it. Okay, subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. I love you. I will see you in the next tutorials. Until then, goodbye.